In front of me is Motorola Edge 60 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can check a password saved in Google Passwords Manager. Begin by opening Devices Settings and scrolling down to tap on Passwords, Passkeys and Accounts. Then hit Open under Google. Choose Google Password Manager and tap on any password you wish to check. Enter your screen lock and tap on this eye icon next to your password to make it visible. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!